Totalkare's T8 range of mobile column lifts provides a highly flexible lifting solution for any commercial vehicle workshop. Easy to manoeuvre, the columns can be used across different lifting bays within the workshop and can be stored out of the way when not in use. The super strong lifts can support up to a 7,500 kg capacity per column and can be configured in sets of 4, 6 or 8. Adjustable wheel forks provide flexibility for lifting a variety of vehicles and wheel diameters. Speak to our team today for more information or a bespoke quote.